Good afternoon, students. Today's subject is leadership qualities and ways to influence other people. We want more good leaders. Efficient and charismatic leaders means that the progress of our nation. They should be very broad-minded, a good listener, able, charismatic person, helping hand. We should think about the development of the nation. A leader should be a good listener. What is to be done? What type of progress to be implemented in our country? Infrastructure. But unfortunately, certain leaders are filling their own pockets from political background. This is not good. He must be a sincere and honest person. Should be able to attach to the people, solve the problem of the common man. Then only we can develop our country. We want a team of efficient leaders for the development of our nation. We were under British rule more than 200 years. We suffered a lot. Our forefathers fought against British people many years. We suffered. Now we have to think about positively for a developed nation. Our late President Abdul Kalam used to tell India is going to become a superpower within a few years. That is his fine words. But let us follow his words and work together, shoulder to shoulder, for the development of our nation. India is the second populous country in the world. We want more industries, agriculture, so many things, good education. All these based upon the quality of good leaders. We want good quality of leaders, Prime Minister, Chief Minister, governors, Education Minister, Finance Minister, RBI governors, and good principal, advocates, hard-working farmers. These are the most important for development of our nation. All these based upon the quality of the leaders. Good leaders means the progress of the nation. We want iron-willed ministers like Sardar Vallabh Patel, our late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. She was iron lady. She got Bharat Ratna. She would dedicate for the nation's development and attach the people. Then the progress of the nation. Many nations have come up, but we are still not developed, most of the states in India. Many are migrating to Western countries and Gulf countries in such a job because still industries are not developed. Development means all the nations should get our job and business in our own democratic country. Why you want to defend others? That's not good. So development of our country is based upon quality of good leaders. Most important is agriculture, industries. Development of a country is based upon agriculture industries. You want multinational companies, even more agriculture field and good farmers. You want more food items because we are the second popular country in the world. So for the rising generation, should encourage them and inspire them to become a great leaders for nation, for the development and future of nation. Have a nice day.